Hi, I'm G. Sharma, your IELTS trainer. Today I'll teach you grammar structure with examples for writing task 1. In this video you will learn 3 main basic grammar structures. Remember, different diagrams will have different information, so there will be a different way to write according to the diagram. As I mention in every video that to learn properly you need to watch task 1 all videos. I have made many videos to describe how to write your report according to data given in the graph. Like if data is given in percentage, you will have a different way to write. Sometimes numbers are given, sometimes cases are given like accident cases, theft cases. Sometimes hours are given like hours spent on watching TV or hours spent doing some activities. So according to data, we have to use grammar structure. Okay, let's start. Today in this video, I'm teaching you 3 basic grammar structures with examples. For understanding, we have to take a subject. The subject we are taking, for example, is practical, means you will usually find in diagrams. The subject is the percentage of accidents. The structure you are learning today can be easily used for such subjects like the number of cases, the number of accidents, the percentage of accidents. Firstly, we'll talk about past grammar structure. Okay, first structure is subject plus second form plus percentage plus time. And the sentence will be the percentage of accidents increased 10% in 1985. The second structure is time plus subject plus second form plus percentage. In this structure, you have to bring your time at the starting. Like in 1985, the percentage of accidents increased 10%. Third structure is there was a or an plus noun plus in the percentage of dash plus by dash plus time. Example, there was an increase in the percentage of accidents by 10% in 1985. To learn these properly, you should write on your notebook first structure and example. Then it will be more easier to understand. The same can be for other subjects also, like the number of cases increased 10% in 1985. In 1985, the number of cases increased 10%. There was an increase in the number of cases by 10% in 1985. The number of accidents increased 10% in 1985. In 1985, the number of accidents increased 10%. There was an increase in the number of accidents by 10% in 1985. Okay, now for present grammar structure. You have to do only one thing. Where you have used second form, you have to use first form only. Nothing else you have to do. Like if the data is given in present, then how you can use the percentage of accidents increased 10% in 1985. The second, in 1985, the percentage of accidents increased 10%. Where we used was, there you will use is. There is an increase in the percentage of accidents by 10% in 1985. To learn these properly, you should write on your notebook first structure and example, then it will be more easier to understand. The same can be for other structures. I think it's enough for this lesson. Watch next video to learn more. See you then. God bless you.